YouTube, this is the Too Cools 2. We're expecting a snowstorm, about 10 to 15 inches of snow on February 9th for tonight through Wednesday into Thursday morning. So I'm going to show you the weather channel right now, about a minute or so. I'll show you what it's going to say. They didn't update it yet for snow.
The Weather Channel live in Vancouver all this week during the 2010 Winter Games.
This is for Brooklyn, New York.
On the 8th.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area.
Okay, it used to say 12 midnight, so now it's going to start earlier. Closest area I am is Coney Island.
Here's our local Doppler radar.
Okay, so it's going to start off as rain, then it'll turn into snow. That's where I am, in the center. It's 7:39 p.m., February 9th, 2010. Schools are closed, parking suspended, it's supposed to get real windy, garbage pickup suspended.
For tonight, snow showers and a steadier snow developing late. Low 32. Winds east at 10 to 20 miles per hour. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected.
Oh my god.
And on Wednesday, snowy and windy. Snow will become heavy at times during the afternoon. High 33. And Wednesday night, snow and windy, low 30.
You changed it to 10 to 15 inches now, so.
Here's our 7-day outlook.
Okay, YouTube, stay tuned for weather updates during the night and during Wednesday. Bye.